Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the pendrive has enough free space and is formatted to a compatible file system. Plug it firmly into a reliable USB port. If you need speed, use a USB 3.0 port. Once done, open File Explorer or Finder so you can see both locations. Make sure your laptop isn't performing backups or heavy tasks. That reduces conflict and speeds copying. This upfront check prevents midway failures and saves time. You now choose the files you want to transfer. If you have many items, group them into a single folder to avoid missed files. Use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy, or drag items to the pendrive window for a move operation. For very large folders, copy in manageable batches so you can watch progress and catch errors early. If file names are long or contain special characters, rename them to avoid compatibility issues on the pendrive. Once files finish copying, verify sizes and open a few to confirm integrity. Then use the operating system's Safe Eject function. This flushes any cached writes and prevents corruption. If the pendrive won't eject, close apps that might be accessing it and try again. If transfers fail, replug the drive and run a disk check or copy smaller batches. Sometimes bad sectors or full caches cause hiccups. Finally, remove the drive when safe and store it properly to protect your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.